Alright guys, today's the day. I told you on Instagram about this truck, but I didn't really tell you on YouTube. So I'm gonna take it and put it in the shop and have the exhaust leak fixed. Check this thing out. That's a 1972 Ford F100. Definitely needs some work. We're gonna get the exhaust leak fixed right now. And I already rewired the horn this morning. The horn wasn't working. There's Amanda in the van waiting for me. I'm letting it warm up. She's probably like, what is he doing? I'm letting it warm up. All right, I got the truck dropped off at the shop, went up to the store for a little while, had some espresso. Now I'm gonna go pick up Madison and we're gonna go to the gun range and shoot some guns. Don't say nothing. I got this little red dot sight. And this is the first time I've adjusted it, so you can see my first few shots were really low. It's starting to get it sighted in. Yeah. Alright, now we're shooting the Glock 9mm. Don't say nothing! Alright, now here I am at the mattress store. I'm gonna pick up Amanda. Went by the grocery store, got some steaks, some ground beef. Yeah, we're gonna close up the mattress store and go home. Doing the hard work. Whoa dudes, I'm rearranging. I think half of our social media now is Amanda's Instagram story. If you watch Amanda's Instagram story, you'll know that we moved our bed to the middle room of our house and made the back room the hangout room, but I'm switching it back. The middle room is going to be the music room again. Back room is going to be the bedroom. So it's really wrecked. Well, I think I'm going to have to be done in here for tonight because I think it's about 11 o'clock. And I need to go finish up the bedroom and then chill out. But I think we got a really cool room for me and Amanda to make music in. The other room was cool, but the music stuff was spread throughout the house. I was finding myself in the living room with an amp and a guitar and pedals and stuff, and then in the back room, acoustic guitar, so got it all in one room. So maybe it'll be a good creative space. You just never know. You can set up what seems to be the most perfect creative space, and then sit down to write or jam, and just something about the space, even though it seemed like it was going to be perfect, just doesn't work. And I'm a vibe guy, a feel guy. This place has to feel right for me to get creative. So here I am at the Dallas County Tax Office, about to register my truck. It took a couple of weeks to get the truck, get the title, the exhaust leak fixed, get it inspected. But here I am, it's the big day. So hopefully I walk in, I think I've got all my paperwork just right. Hopefully I walk in, pay the money, and get a little blue sticker. That's the plan. Well, as you can see, I got my truck registered. I am legal to drive, guys. So last night I went to I was gonna just drive it around the neighborhood, and I went to start it up, it wouldn't start, and it wouldn't turn over at all. And I've been reading so much about trucks that I was like, if it's not clicking or anything, then the starter's not getting electricity. Like, why do I know that, guys? I don't know that. I know that now. I didn't know that 2 or 3 weeks ago. So the wire where the starter connects to the solenoid was not hooked on. So I bought the stuff to fix that. I'm gonna fix it right now. Last night I just looped a little wire around there, started it up and drove it around, but I'm gonna fix it properly right now. There it is, legendary Ford 360. That connection right there is, I'm gonna repair that properly. That looks a lot better. So I'm about to head out and go pick up some furniture from a furniture warehouse for a customer, and I'm gonna take my pickup truck. It's about 8 miles away, so it's gonna be 16 miles round trip. I've driven this thing around to mechanics and stuff like that, but I've never really taken it on a long drive. Feels right, like nothing's gonna go wrong. But I called Amanda and I was like, okay, keep your phone by you, and if I call you, answer it, because I'm taking my truck, and if it breaks down, I want to be able to get you on the phone. So we're gonna go on an adventure. Check out my car stereo, guys. Doesn't work very good, but it'll do the job. All right, I'm here picking up from Coaster Furniture. That's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm waiting for them to bring out my stuff, put in the back of the truck, and take back to the mattress store. Honestly, I've been selling furniture for a long time. I've never come to Coaster and picked up this stuff myself. I've brought some stuff back before, but anyway, I had to like park and then go in and be like, hi, I'm new, what do I do? So it's kind of a fun experience, really. While I'm stuck waiting, I'll show you some of the truck interior stuff that I need to work on. Down there, not sure. I think that's part of where the original heater was. That definitely is, where those holes. And then right here, need to get a radio. They make modern radios that fit that hole. Might just mount some wood in there. I think I can get a cheap car stereo for 50 bucks, so I don't know. The tack doesn't work. I just need to trace the wires down and figure out where it needs to hook up at. And the wiring's a crazy mess. I've been doing a little research, and I know I can buy a wiring harness and rewire the whole truck, but it's working right now, so I don't know. That's questionable. May or may not do that. My delivery guy, Christian, he doesn't work for us anymore. That's another story, but he used to be like, Coaster takes forever, and I just kind of thought he was moseying along. How about that? That's gonna go in my next Texas video, mosey. I just thought he was taking his time, but he's not lying. You gotta go inside, do the paperwork with a lady, wait around in there for a little bit, then come out here and wait for them to pull your order. So it does take some time. All right, well, I stopped off at the mattress store to drop off this furniture right here. This stuff. And while I was unloading, Amanda sold some stuff to some people that I'm gonna deliver. They told me there was somebody there that would help me, so check it out. Came to the house and dropped off my truck. Now I'm taking the van back to Amanda because this morning I just dropped her off, and I'm gonna go work the rest of the day. It's really Amanda's day off, but I had some mattress store errands and I had to get my truck registered, so totally successful day. Look who it is.
Coffee sickness time.
The what?
That's whenever you drink coffee all day until you're sick to your stomach from caffeine and no food.
You know what they say to you when you tell them things like that? They say that's not a smart way to take care of your body, Amanda.
It's not. I don't take good care of it.
That's what I tell you. That's what I tell you. All right, well, Amanda's gone back to the house to chill, and I'm just gonna hang out here at work and hopefully have some customers. So thanks for going on my truck adventure with me. It's my first day driving my new truck. I really like it. It feels super cool to drive an old truck. Anyway, I'll let you guys know how it goes. Like, it might start breaking down, or I mean, I don't know. It's an old truck. I got a good feeling, guys. I think it's gonna run good. Anyway, I'm Bird Snick. Thanks for watching.